this. Okay. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go. Start rolling. Make sure I get the cream on there. We'll have to make another one without too much, maybe too much coffee in the thing, so it's not flowing good. Yeah, that's too much coffee. That's why we're not getting a good stream. It's okay, you can stop.